only flavor.
And dip me underway. Kill my mother flow. Hold me tight. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me.
This year our Hey guys, so Ackermans is looking for an outfit for Saturday.
I know I give you what you need. I know what you like.
Welcome back to our channel. Can I get off another video? We're gonna be spending the week with us. Today is Monday. To talk about Ackermans. We were looking for a flowy pant for what we're gonna be going to Saturday, but we just saw that Louisa is going to bloom this Saturday. Yeah, we still undecided. At this point, I'm undecided. I knew what I was gonna do Saturday, but after I saw Louisa Kijana is going to bloom, I'm undecided. Well, there was a pre-sold, I think it was 3 something and sold out. No, 395. We is a guy who City Hall. We bought Ackermans to take 5 the flowy pants that we wanted. There's a vlog that we posted one of like the shoes, but it was only 1 pair. Yeah, dummy. Yeah. So today I'm here. My size 3D2. So I decided to get the shoes and got them on sale for 120 each. Yeah. They were going for 220. Yeah, but we got them for 120. Yeah, we're gonna show you guys how they look. Yo, I'm going to do 3 hours for that day. Transition 1, 2, 3. Take a program. This is how they look. Such a cute pair. To the side. At the back. Side again. Yeah. It's a size, we got them in a size 3. And they fit. So I guess this year our food is growing. So yeah. Yes, one. Yes. Kind of give no bars.
I don't even say bye no more. I be like, no bars.
We're gonna toast some bread, fry some tuna. That's what we're eating for dinner. We'll talk to you guys after we eat because we're trying to get into our Zoom. So guys, we're no longer eating tuna, smoked Vienna, but we also drink Oros.
I believe for me. Time is up to guess that. I try to need you, but I
Guys, it's close to 9 p.m. Just gonna we're trying to exercise this week, so we're just gonna do our exercise routine. Core. Let me show you guys what we do. We found it on Pinterest and it's been like working for us, so we just decided to keep it and not try others. But when we went to the women's wellness event, they gave us like strength training exercises, and then if we mix up those core exercises with that strength training, it works well for us. So it's 30 seconds each, it's for 6 minutes. It's ins and outs, plank twists, bicycles, mountain climbers, Russian twists, and a plank. So usually if we are starting out, we only do one set, and then as we go we increase, and then the highest we've done is 3. And we have not gone above 3. Oh, we do, and that 3 sometimes we do 2
yeah.
in the morning,
And
1
then
at
one at
night.
night.
That's how we keep up with it. But today I don't know how it's gonna go. If we do one, we do one, because usually when we start out, we do one set.
Yeah.
So if we do one set, we're gonna do 3 minutes, but if we do 2, it's 6 minutes of exercise. Yeah, so we're gonna do that now. Yeah, watch us do a bit of that, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind. And not me to make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go quiet. Yeah. You leave, I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
Hey guys, it's a new day. We're kitchen. Just gonna quickly do the dishes, and this is bothering me, but yeah, so we're gonna quickly do the dishes, and then after that okay, so that we can buy spinach, mashi,
Yeah,
spinach, mashi, yogurt. Yeah, so because we are cooking today, chicken rice, spinach.
we're also gonna have these. Look how cute they look. And they taste amazing. Yeah. So we're still rating them 7 out of 10. They're not bad, but okay remains undefeated.
Oh, that's fine. Don't worry. I vlogged a bit. You vlogged a bit. The sun is out. We are going back now. We'll see you guys when we get there. Okay guys, so this is everything we got from... Okay, well, not everything, because the red getting bell peppers, the guy kitchen, particularly got avo. We also got baby spinach, because our cut spinach was not there today. We decided to get baby spinach instead of like any other veg, maybe broccoli or cauliflower, because we had those last week. So yeah. And then we also got full cream milk. We got 2 of these because we also eat them with more vite, so we thought to have 2 so that they last longer. And then we got our fave double cream vanilla yogurt with vanilla seeds. It was in stock today, guys. Must it's E3. I was like but I think it's gonna last us for a while, so yeah. So I'll just show you guys bits and bits of us cooking. We are making rice. Okay, let's gonna start chopping these. We just you're gonna start more.
Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Got till the morning, my one put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need. Baby, yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need. No other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. Only you feel on my body.
Yeah. Yavuka inja yakhona Don Kamakazi. Ngithetha ngempintshi impontsho msabu
This
ngamazi.
is our breakfast.
Emakushubile bathi sachistatulu ngithile ngoma ngiyenzela amapantsula iBloemfontein 051 kamaklomola I run back rock the hood rabahopola.
See, inside checked, we can't find anything. Nothing flowing, nothing.
Oh yeah.
Excellent. 159. Day 16.
Every time I'm on the mic, yabatabul. Ipopeng lebanyana yabalebukh. See all the love that I am getting, young chomo.
Today is Wednesday, and we got Wacky Wednesday. I started my period today while I was at work, but luckily it was close to lunch, so I was able to rush here. But I had to change my pants because you spotted.
Yeah,
spotted.
Because I did it on the app.
Yeah, it's spotted.
The app said possible. It's today. Predicted.
It's in tomorrow.
Oh my.
So yours came early then.
Yeah. And I believe the flow is not the flow.
Last month,
But I feel like I'm grateful for the fact that the flow is not the flow because the spotting would have been way less.
yeah.
So this one is not really that bad. And I was able to wash my jeans washing machine so that I can wear the same jeans tomorrow because I want to wear black. In your period, like everything looks big. So when you wear black, everything will look slim. Yeah. So I'm gonna start, I think, early March. Never the 18th.
Probably second week.
Luego
We might go.
Kapasinto.
Because why if only more? Because why 18 so much? Predicted impossible. Oh.
Oh, it's early, very early, like the 8.
Skip 2011 possible and predicted. Yeah. So now I did it on the possible one. Not normally it's possible and then we predict. But yes, no, but it lets possible. But now I always go on my period card predicted. I never go on possible. Now I went on possible once. So I guess this is my turn. Yeah. So budgeting, we wanted a flowy thing. Yeah, I think we told you guys on our last vlog. If you didn't, we are telling you guys now. We wanted a flowy pen because it's gonna be so hot. We are thinking. And we're going to this show, so we thought if we find flowy pins, but we're thinking we're gonna wear the outfit that we said we're gonna wear to Arya Star's show. Just that you're in the front. So I don't know. And we wanted to get our hair done Friday. I think we should push to make it work. The hairnet, yeah, we should push to make the hair thing work. So we should probably wash our hair tomorrow because we don't want to wash it at a salon. And then come back home after work so that we do the hair vlog thing. It's Thursday. Okay. So that we can go on Friday. We just straight to the salon. We stretch and break. And then we go to every stretch. Okay. We do just a straight back or any hairstyle. Just protective net. Yeah, so that was us rambling. We're gonna eat now with you guys, and then after we'll let them go and then we're gonna shoot a video. That will be the end of the day. Yep. So let's eat.
Now let me focus, I'm international, I told my niggas that I'm ready, it's not a love song, I'm only getting started. Slow down the beat and let me tell you how I started.
They don't do quite loud. Dagwood. A little bit of one to eat, guys. Some twins. And like it's really throwing me off. Operation take Anyanis out. I can't. What's up? How to jam smell?
Now I'm tere panda bonebo pilo camino.
That's sad, yeah, shame. Can't fathom how you wanna get to the riches if you can't get to your 9 to 5 on top. Think I'm into here with the riches. I never gave up. It's my time to shine. Oh God, they don't want me to live.
Concept 9 to 5 now. No, what's weird about this burger? There's actually I can smell the onion. Fast sauce, no? Okay. Then brown. Brown? Yes, it's brown. Wacky Wednesday got sauce. We ate brown sauce last time. Hey guys, what's in good day? We just here to make lunch. Rice, leftover rice. I'm also making the eggs camole, which I'm gonna defrost the Vienna. So yeah, that's what we're gonna have for lunch.
Every time I'm on the mic, I spit my goddamn flow.
I messed up this week.
When I can unako ya me lalo no me jolo no kere no yeah kere no every time I'm on the mic I spit my goddamn flow okay manje samba pants manje samba Jita manje senza kanje, manje akikhathali. I do it for the love before I do it for the money. Shoo.
Hey guys, it's a new day.
Last day of the weekly vlog.
Yeah, it's been a crazy week. Yo. Lunchtime, then we're gonna go to Spar and buy
Dagwood, buy Penalindi chips, and then we'll buy 15 rand chips because it's not enough. The chips are not enough. It's that inside the thing. We'll show you guys when we come back. So that's what we're gonna have now, and it will be for dinner.
For dinner, yeah. And then I don't think I'm okay.
It's hot.
It's very hot.
It's so hot. So that's what we're doing to close off today, like today's day and the weekly vlog. So we'll see you guys when you come back from Spar. Yo, so yeah, we couldn't find the thingy. Everyone at Dagwood, like so, and then because Nisi decided not to buy the chips, I'd all see. We might have to just eat noodles and just. So we're gonna show you guys what we got. I got two snacks, the smoked meat. I got the jumping bread, salted.
So we also got bacon because nearly on sale. I think 30 rand.
Yeah.
We got back bacon, beetroot smoked, and shoulder bacon, beetroot smoked.
We like the rounds because it does not shrink.
Hey,
This one shrinks though.
we also got Powerade.
It was 2 for 24 rand. This is like the only flavor that I enjoy. When we used to go to like primary trips, our dad will always buy us Powerade. So we recently visited, not like recently, maybe 5 years ago.
Yeah.
And when we were playing rugby because that's so big, the Banebayet, I could say, do you guys know Yastro, the one that you have to like retailer?
Yeah.
And then after that, and then okay, the years have passed, and now I still remember the taste.
Also got also got chocolate, vanilla, and caramel flavored ice cream.
We still have cones. It was 60 rand. We still have cones, so and it's hot. It's so hot. We got a creamer because we ran out. Yeah, it's so traumatizing having coffee that is black. And then we got bowls. We're gonna use them for salad or they are written happy and healthy. They're from Villa Alegre. Color your life.
Yeah, but they're very cute.
We saw them last month. They're so cute.
Oh, and the last thing that we got is
flakes. They were 75 rand, and usually they go for 95 rand.
Yep. When it comes to the flakes.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back to watching Real Housewives of Durban. Have a snack or two. Oh, we also got Coke from work. They bought us Coke. So we'll drink that whenever. We say I can we're gonna drink it now. But I think I'm gonna eat one of the snacks. Watch Real Housewives.
So thank you guys so much for watching.
We'll see you guys on our next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
I do it for the money. Shoo.